Are at Baddesley Clinton, and here's a display. Some of these are quite huge. Look at these. It's goods of all sorts, and marrows and pumpkins and all sorts of things, but it looks rather nice. So Baddesley Clinton, Warwickshire, United Kingdom. This is National Trust property, and we've had to do a special booking to come here today. And we have a one-way system. Oh, and everything is one way today. There's a cafe arrangement there. The bookshop has had to be closed. Now we're coming up here to see the actual house. A wonderful old house with its own moat. And you can see the bridge here going over to the gate. We haven't been here for a long while because since the current COVID situation we've not been here, but it's a beautiful building. And we'll go out and look around the gardens. There's usually a beautiful dahlia garden here, but I've got a funny idea that the dahlia garden won't be here today. Probably because they had a disease last year. Oh, the house is open again. So there we are. The house is back open again. So if you want to come here, you will have to book. So you go online and you book your time slot, and then you come along. Lovely trees all turning now. Lovely place, and we haven't been here for so long, but it's well worth a visit if you're in Warwickshire, anywhere near Coventry. It's not too far away. Lovely grounds. Everything is roped off. Normally you can go all through these grounds, but everything is roped off today, so I love the turret there. Is that crenellated? I don't know. Something like that. Well, thank you for watching, and special thank you to those who have subscribed, or to those who are going to subscribe. Most grateful. Please feel free to like and share. That would be also most appreciated. So this is the Rambling Rambler, and you can tell that, can't you, really? And the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends. It's just nice to be here again after so long, because we've people have been locked out. There's signs everywhere telling you which way you can go and which way you can't go. That's the way into the house, so we'll be going there in a little while. We'll go up into the garden and have a little butcher's up here. A lovely old house. They've even got a priest hole in there, which we shall see a little later. All the winter berries on there. Looks like the birds are going to be okay for the winter. Those are interesting little, I don't know what they are though. Oh, there's lots of them here. And these delicate little ones. I'm amazed that there's still flowers in these borders, although of course they do change all the time. The allium have gone well over, they've all got seed heads on now. They've got flowers in that bed over there, but they are not dahlias as per normal. Those are all seed headed. Yes, they've put a lovely bed of flowers in here, but and you can see here we are right out in the countryside. There's usually sheep or something in this field, but there's nothing there. This is the beautiful English countryside on a mixed sort of day. There's rain forecast for a little later. These are lovely, they look a bit like foxgloves, those pink ones there. Lovely, yeah, they do look a bit, I don't know if they are. It's lovely. Look at these. Very nice. Don't know what they are. This is fabulous. Well, I think we'll leave it there, and I shall do a particular one now for Flowers of the World and Flowers, the flowers sites I'm on, and we'll say bye from Baddesley Clinton, this lovely house in Warwickshire in the United Kingdom. Bye for now from the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends.